Hi guys, it's Spiraling Friend here and welcome back to another reaction video. Tonight we're reacting to Your Little Cat 4 by ForgaLorga. Now, I think I remember when I did Your Little Cat 4 in my old room, and it's really they're really good videos. I had a lot of great memories of watching Your Little Cat videos, and yeah. Before we get started, just want to tell you guys that I was busy playing Hyrule Warriors Age of Calamity, and that's why I didn't do a reaction videos these days. And although I beat the game, guys, yeah, I beat Hyrule Warriors Age of Calamity. But although the only thing I have to do is I have to beat every challenges and upgrade some of the characters in each of Calamity game, and yeah, and that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, and this video is about 2 minutes 25 seconds. So let's start this video. 3, 2, 1, go. I don't know what. What just happened? Wait, did Applejack just stick her tongue out multiple times while she was wandering by a sink? Really? Pinky, you're wasting the toilet paper! Oh! Pinky, you're wasting And yeah. I don't know what that is, but that was really good. I mean, but that's new in the video. Applejack. Ugh, what is she doing? Oh man. What? Oh, ladybug! Oh! Oh, poor Twilight. Oh man. Why is Applejack in the box? What? What? Did she do the iPhone? What? Okay, weird. What? What is Fluttershy eating? Oh! And is that Rainbow Dash on a cone? Whoa, that was it? Whoa, whoa. Yeah, that was it. Okay, if you guys hear the noise, that was Cisco. He keeps barking every time, and I'm really sorry about that. Yeah. So, do you remember when Twilight got afraid of the ladybugs in the short episode of MLP Friendship Magic? Yeah. I think that was, I think the episode is called Starlight the Hypnotist. That's what it is. I keep on forgetting. It was when Twilight got terrified of ladybugs, and yeah. And also, that thing at the beginning of the video. I don't know what that was, but yeah, okay. And I can't describe what's going on in the video, but it was hilarious. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the reaction video. Subscribe, give the like, and to leave the comments. Have a good night, guys.